Thank you. This takes waking up early to a whole new level.
From that one. The cloud's only right here.
Wipe off my part.
Yeah. We made it. It's very foggy out here.
We made it barely.
We made it barely. Yo, this hike was way harder than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, I knew it was
Oh
going
my
to be a
God.
little bit difficult, but it was like climbing a ladder for an hour and a half straight.
Yeah, like stair steppers.
I don't know, but I feel like it was more intense than a stair.
It was like stair steppers, but like slippery because of
the volcano ash.
yeah, slippery because of the volcano ash. It was like walking a stair stepper made of beach sand
Yeah.
for an hour and a half.
A lot of rocks. I fell a few times, and so I'm really nervous for the trek down.
Going up for me was definitely a lot harder, for sure. But we made it. We had some banana sandwiches for breakfast and a chocolate bar.
Quite literally just 2 pieces of white bread with a mashed banana in between.
Heck yeah, boy.
And I would eat anything at this point. I'm so
I know,
hungry.
I was hungry.
We've been up since 1:30.
1:30.
And it's now 6, or it's almost 7 a.m.
Yeah, it was a saga getting here too. Oh my gosh.
It was saga. There was some drama with the car pickup.
Yeah, we can talk more about that later.
Yeah.
But
It's tea.
Anyway, we're happy to be up here, and we
Yeah.
are going to be trekking down.
And the trek up was only an hour and a half. Really beautiful though. And we had a perfect view of the sunrise. And then as soon as the sun was peeking over the mountain, just a
Big cloud, dude.
yeah. And it's still really cloudy.
Yeah.
But the drone saw the sunrise.
The
so
drone
that's
did see the
fun.
sunrise. Yep, so we'll be trekking down soon, and then we are going whitewater rafting.
Oh, we're going to a coffee plantation first.
We are.
Yeah, and
Whoa.
we're gonna learn about what that poop coffee is all about.
Dude, I got like a
I also thought that was a joke, and our driver told us this morning that it's quite literally.
yeah. They chew it, they eat it, digest it, they poop out the beans, and then they use the digested beans.
But they clean them.
I don't know if I'm about to try that. Patricia is though. Also, listen.
Oh yeah, I can barely stop. I can barely talk. My lungs are full of ash.
Yeah, so much ash. I'm wheezing. Okay.
Life, laugh, love. YOLO.
Hard to see, but that is hot volcano steam. Active volcanoes. That's the crater. And it smells like sulfur. It's okay.
Okay.
Thank you, though.
Thank you.
Hello. Yeah, it's pretty now.
Accept you from here. Oh yeah, run.
Run?
Yes,
Do it.
yes, you better.
That's kind of crazy.
We were all the way up on the tippy top of that mountain like an hour ago.
We are ready to be done, I think.
Yeah,
It was fun
it was fun.
for like 4 hours. Oh, bruh. My ankles are gone.
You're done.
I ain't got no more ankles.